So, neuro rehab is a very neglected part of healthcare in India. If you look at world statistics, neurological disorders rank number 2 in terms of death for mortality. They're second only to cardiovascular mortality. But if you look at disability, they are number 1 because they're highly disabling, right? A person who is productive suddenly becomes dependent on others, even for basic needs. But there is a certain degree of recovery that is possible. And the rehabilitation is meant to maximize that recovery. So, the goal of neurorehabilitation is to restore functional abilities to the patient that they have lost due to the neuro disorder. So at Swatantra, we'll be integrating the traditional, the conventional rehab, and the what I'm going to call the high-tech, ultra-modern rehab modalities like robotics. We are here for integration. We are not here to substitute one with the other. They will get everything that is evidence-based in conventional medicine, with an addition, with some boost from other medical techniques. Traditional systems of medicine, especially Ayurveda and yoga, also some others like acupuncture, I have found in my practice that these can be extremely beneficial to patients. So these, in my mind, the way I look at it, they are working on the body's innate healing responses. So a day typically for a patient would consist of some of each of these 3 categories. So this is what we mean by integration, by using a spectrum of these treatment modalities to improve outcomes. So at Swatantra, we have a really broad-ranging team of people with from multiple fields, and that is essential if you're trying to do an integrative neurorehabilitation program of this kind. So, we have all the way from conventional physical, occupational, speech therapy, nutrition and dietetics. Then we have psychologists, cognitive psychologists, and then we have the acupuncturist, the naturopathy physician, the Ayurvedic physician, and therapists. At Swatantra, we are also planning to offer things like music therapy, art therapy. These are especially, geared towards these non-physical aspects of recovery. The challenge really in making this an excellent program is in how these are well integrated to work with each other, and that's what we're focused on in Swatantra in developing that kind of a system. So independence is really a key for person to live a life of dignity. Our name Swatantra itself stands for that, the independence of the patient. The way we do it is by encouraging them and in some ways forcing them to try to do things for themselves early on in the stroke when there is maximum potential for recovery. So at Swatantra, at this point in our current center in Nagarbhavi, we are intentionally keeping our costs low. We are partnering with like-minded organizations and individuals to keep our costs low so that we are able to offer this entire spectrum of rehabilitation to patients at very reasonable costs. We are hoping to expand to multiple such centers in less served areas such as tier 2 cities to expand access to such rehabilitation.